Hi, pretty girl. Do you have hiccups? Yeah. Yeah, Dad. I got some hiccups. I like eating my arms. And what else? What do you see over there? Hi, Dad. Turn that off, please.